Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a Google form. If you no longer need a Google form, you can delete it permanently or move it to the trash. However, once deleted, the form and its responses cannot be recovered. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a Google form step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Google Forms. And to do that, just go to your web browser and in Google search for forms.google. And here we're gonna open the workspace.google.com/product/forms website. Now here, make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Now once you log in, locate the form you want to delete. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now the second step is to move the form to trash. And to do that, just click on the three dots menu on the forms preview here, and as you can see from here, these options, you can make a copy, you can move to trash, you can pre-fill the form, you can embed HTML, etc. As for this tutorial, we're gonna select this option right here to move to trash. Now after you click on move to trash, make sure you go to you can either go to the forms home screen, go back to the forms home screen, or to take out the trash. That means to delete it permanently. Select move it to trash, or you can go to the form, take out of the trash, and this will permanently delete the Google form. You can also permanently delete the form by going to Google Drive. You can log in with the accounts associated with your Google's form and click on the trash right here, and there you'll find the Google forms there. Find the form, right click on it and select delete forever. And that's it for today's tutorial. Deleting a Google form is permanent and cannot be undone. If you might need the form later, consider tuning off submissions instead to keep responses safe. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.